Hello children, welcome back to the chemistry class. This is Hema here and let us continue acids, bases and salts. And this is part 3 and we discuss about the chemical properties of acids in this session. Dear students, let us discuss about the chemical properties of acids. Very interesting topic children. So let us see the reaction of metals with acids. Or when acids reacts with metals, we'll see the result what happens. So when an acid reacts with metal children, a salt and hydrogen is formed. Okay. So generally when metals reacts with acids, the respective metal like hydrochloric acid when reacts with metal it forms metal chloride, and when it reacts with sulfuric acid, any metal reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives metal sulfate, and a metal when reacts with nitric acid, it gives metal nitrates. And in all the actions they have hydrogen as common, they liberate hydrogen, so they liberate out hydrogen gas, so that is the common over here. So now children, let us see one example. Sulfuric acid, it is a dilute sulfuric acid, when reacts with zinc it gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen, means H2SO4 when reacts with zinc Zn, Zn is a metal and H2SO4 is a dilute acid, it gives rise to zinc sulfate is a salt plus hydrogen gas which it liberates out. Okay children, in this reaction zinc is displacing hydrogen from sulfuric acid and that hydrogen gas is liberating out. So generally these metals displace hydrogen from the respective acids and that hydrogen gas will be liberated out. So in this experiment we'll take a boiling tube over here children, this is a boiling tube. In that we kept some zinc granules here. Here some zinc granules are kept and a dilute sulfuric acid. A dilute sulfuric acid is dropped inside it. Like take like 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid and they are dropped inside the zinc granules. Then some bubbles are formed here. Some bubbles are formed and they liberate through this delivery tube. They liberate through this delivery tube and a trough of soap water is kept here. And through this soap water, these gases pass through this trough of soap water. And as soon as they touch the soap water, they form bubbles and they rise up. They rise up like this. As they rise up, the soap bubbles are rising up. You have to bring one burning candle here. A burning candle is kept near the bubble. Then immediately what happens children? A splash, it splashes out a small explosion and gives a pop sound. It gives a pop sound. And with this pop sound we can prove that the liberated gas is hydrogen gas. The liberated gas is hydrogen gas. So any metal, maybe here we have taken zinc granules, but it may be any metal, when it reacts with acid, this any type of dilute acid, the gas is liberated out and it gives, and that gas is hydrogen gas which gives a pop sound. If it gives a pop sound, you can say that it is hydrogen gas. Understood children? One more example we'll see. Like hydrochloric acid, if you take dilute hydrochloric acid when reacts with magnesium, it gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Like HCl when reacts with Mg is a metal, it gives magnesium chloride is a salt plus hydrogen. So a general equation for this is when acid, say when any acid reacts with metal, it is a general equation children, it gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. You have to remember this general equation. Okay children. Now sometimes we say that curd or any sour items, curd or any sour items should not be stored in copper containers or metal containers, mainly metal containers. Why do we say like that? Why shouldn't we store these in copper containers or metal containers? We'll see the reason here children. Because curd and the sour substances contain some acids. You all know they contain some acids. When acids react with metals, they form salt and hydrogen gas. And if such substances are kept in copper container, the acid reacts with the container and the container may corrode. And not only this, children, like when we kept curd and or any acidic items, sour items, they react with copper and forms toxic compounds. Toxic means poisonous compounds which may be unfit for our human consumption. Like if you take humans, if we take, it may be poisonous to us and it may food poison. So it may cause food poisoning, and thus it is not advisable to keep curd or any acidic sour items in copper or brass vessels. Not only copper or brass, any metal vessels. Okay children. So this is about acids and metals. Let us discuss the second one in the next part. Hope you all understood children. Have a nice day and thank you.